Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk to you about the Total Brush Sander from Total Finishing. This is a fantastic three-phase 220 unit that you can use to do just about any of your flat sanding needs. You've got 18 preset programs that you can make in here. Super easy to adjust. You can pick your height, your conveyor speed, your oscillation, and whether you want the brush head to go forward or reverse on that. I'll show you some more about that here shortly, but for now we're going to run a piece through and make it all happen. Well, as you can see, it didn't do a whole lot, but break down the edges, scuff everything up, have it ready for the next coat of paint. And we'll go do a coat of paint on it now, and then after it's cured, we'll run it back through the sander. All right, now we're going to put a little quick coat of paint on this, and then we'll get it over in the curing oven. All right, now we'll take this over, put it in the curing oven, and then we'll run it back through the sander. All right, well, we've finished putting a coat on here, getting it all cured up. Now we're going to run it back through the sander again for a final coat prep. So if you look in here, you can see not only are each of these rotating, but the whole unit is oscillating back and forth at the same time as the conveyor is pushing it through. Perfect. All right, so as you can see, it just scuffed it up enough, took off the hard edges, gave it really light sand so it's ready for another coat and then a finish. All right, so you've seen the machine in operation. Give you a quick run through on how everything kind of works here on the display screen. You've got 18 different recipes that you can set up for all your different projects. Super easy to adjust those. Your conveyor speed, you just slide that a little left or right, speed it up, slow it down. Your oscillation, that's how much you want it to go back and forth. And your brush head speed. All right. You also have your height control. So if you're using a piece that's, say, 21 millimeters high, you just raise that a little bit. You might just be able to hear that happening inside. It's literally going up just a millimeter at a time. You'll see I set that at 19. So if your unit is actually 21 millimeters high, you want to be just 2, maybe 3 millimeters shorter so you're actually getting some use from those brushes hitting it. Now, as far as those brushes go, there's a whole different array of stuff that you can do. These are your standard sanding brushes. That's one-way oscillation. You can get whatever kind of grit you want on there and make that happen. Now, if you want to add some texture to that unit, you use one of these stainless or brass brushes right here. That guy will actually dig into the lighter portions of the wood and give you a really distressed antique feel to it. These nice soft nylon bristles right there, those are going to keep the dust down as everything's working. Another scenario you can do is we've got some of these that are two-sided. So you set up 2 recipes. You do one where you push the part going forward and you'll do a rough sand. Then you stop it, hit reverse on the next recipe, and that'll reverse it and do a finer sand on the second side. So you can actually use one set on there to get both your rough and fine finish sanding done at the same time. Really easy to use, really easy to find. You can get your Total Brush Sander at totalfinishingsupplies.com.